Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Just I have uploaded so many videos. So by seeing that I am uploading this video also. As you see you in the background, this is the picture of our solar system. We always curious about our solar system and with the help of this man we could go into the space also. Who is he? Who will tell? Yes, definitely. Who is he? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, this is his family photo. His parents, siblings means brother and sister, and he himself. Okay, how nice and cute he is. When he was young, he always curious about and means he always think about his dreams only. He always used to tell that dream is that let not you sleep, means dream is that didn't you make didn't sleep. He is a missile man of our India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th president of our India, dies at 83. Okay. His birth date 15th of October 1937, 31, 27 July 2015. He died on that day. Now stars, so many asteroids, we are always curious about that, means we want to know minimum much more information about that. Gases also there. Okay, so dust particles, what are those? So we need to go for the experiment also. So who is the first? As you see on the screen, the person, who is he? The person who was almost first Indian to go into the space. I want to tell about his untold story, the untold story of the fighter pilot who almost became the first Indian in space. This is lesser known story of Air Commodore Ravish Malhotra. What is his name? Ravish Malhotra, recipient of Kirti Chakra, the man who almost became first to go into the space. This is his photo with his crew members. Okay. If we have any plan, then two plans will be there. If first will be fail, we can apply in second one. So in the same way, the our Rakesh Sharma is in first plan A, means, and if he will fail, then his number will be there. Okay, Ravish Malhotra and part of alternative crew. When they had completed half training, the decision was made. Who made that decision? This iron lady. Who was she? Indira Gandhi, current prime minister of at that time. The decision was made. Rakesh Sharma would be in the main team, Ravish Malhotra in the backup team. Okay. So who is he? Yes, our hero Rakesh Sharma. Who is she? Sunita Williams. Yes, you identified very well. She is also, it is also photo of her. And who is she? Okay, today's our topics heroine. Who is she then? Kalpana Chawla. We are going to learn today one of the topic, that is an Indian American woman in space. In 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla was part of international crew aboard the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into the space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. Tragedy means which ended in the bad situations. Okay, so many questions are given, and one of the notice also given here. First of all, we read the notice. The spellings of these words in this lesson, airplane, program, this is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? We have already know, because in India we follow British English, because British ruled on us. So this is one of the news report I want to read for you. Tragedy in space. US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames in an unprecedented, means we never imagined also. Space tragedy: US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying Indian born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six other broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board due to the friction when it entered in the premises of our Earth. Okay, it get friction with that atmosphere and it get burst. The shuttle lost contact with NASA, okay, at about 9 a.m., that is 7:30 in our India. As it came into in for landing, it was flying at an altitude means high, okay, height of over 2 lakh 200,000 means 2 lakh feet, and traveling over 20,000 per kilometer per hour. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, Columbia had lifted off 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the seven members crew conducted 80 experiments. During those 16 days, okay, they have conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight. Okay, it means to go and come. This is the 28th only. And the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Means the Columbia was means will fly up to 100 flights. It was in good condition, but due to the friction, okay, it was collapsed. So let's start our lesson. She was Kalpana Chawla. Okay, she was enthusiastic. By seeing her photo only, we come to know that Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamt as a child in Karnal. Karnal, it is one of the village in Haryana, that she would cross the frontiers. Frontiers means boundaries of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Tagore School, it was her higher secondary school. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father. Her father used to tell her that why do you go abroad? Why do you go to US? Okay, you need to stay here, learn here, education, take education here only. She was for a master degree to the United States of America. She later earned her a PhD. Took her PhD note, EARNED. Okay, this word is very important for the degrees. Okay, in aerospace engineering, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off. Blast off means to do a big thing. This is her school, that is Tagore School. Okay, Tagore Bal Niketan, Karnal. This is a school photo, and let's see. Launchpad, Cape Carnival, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered. Cheered means to praise her, to motivate her, along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched Columbia lift off. At the time of lifting that, okay, launching that airspace, her family member was where in Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Kalpana was sorry. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Naturalized means she married with one of the US citizen. And who was he? To flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. What is his name? And what was he? He was flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, who Kalpana Chawla was licensed to fly single and multi-engine. Okay, we can ride bicycle, we can ride bike, but she could ride, and she has license to fly those single engine or multiple engine airplanes means aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes, gliders, it is one of the type of planes only. She was also certified to as a flight instructor. He is Jane Perry Harrison, her husband. Okay, and he was also one of the flight instructor, and she married him. It is her family photo. Kalpana Chawla was born. It is over now. Qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was the first hired as a research scientist. First of all, she was not as hired for astronaut, but she was hired as an research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for a training as an astronaut. But by seeing her qualification, by seeing her nature or her curiosity, her hard work, they have selected her. This is her crew, okay, as an astronaut training for, and she is doing bye bye to us. Okay, how cheerful she was when asked when someone asked what it was like being a woman in her field. She replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman. I never think about that I was a woman or a person from a small city. Okay, means there is no any prejudice things in my mind. I never think of small things in my mind or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else. I followed them. Anyone like else always, okay, we always used to dream that, but we never follow that, we forget about that. But Kalpana, what she said, she always followed her dream. This is the main thing. If we didn't follow up, taking follow up, okay, now these days are commercial days. Okay, commercial days means what, everyone wanted to do a good job, but no one take follow up, that's why they didn't succeed in their jobs. So follow up is the main thing. And people who were around me, means her, fortunately always encouraged her and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. If you wanted to do especially, then you carry on. And who supported her? This is this person. Who is he? Kalpana's father. Okay, her persistent motivation booster. Okay, her father always used to motivate her. And these crew members also, she never took that, are in my crew I am only the woman. She never think about that also. She always think about her dreams only. And whatever their surrounding members are there, they are also support her. This is her photo during her work. Means they have conducted 80 experiments in this space shuttle only. Kalpana first space mission in the space shuttle, means this is the explanation of her first space mission. Okay, if the question will be there, give information about her first space mission, then you can find out it in fifth paragraph. Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. Means she make rounds. How many rounds? 252 times. Traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Million means 1 million means 10 lakh. Like this. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Means other seven. In that seven astronauts, Japanese and Ukrainian also there. The crew perform experiments such as pollinating plants, okay, in the space, to observe food growth in the space, and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. Means whichever the experiments we can do easily on the earth, can we do in the space also. They have to make experiment there, all for price or price tag of $56 million. On the Saturday night when news about Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. Disbelief means no one can believe that array it happened. Okay, if they survived, if they have survived, then we could achieve many more success, much more success in scientific field. Now this is the that space shuttle, it gets burned when it gets friction. Okay, it contact in the atmosphere of our earth. Let's say here is our earth. Okay, and it get burst also near when it enters in the premises of our earth. It is very bad situation, and all seven members were killed in that blast. Okay, in the of that space shuttle. So NASA has declared that array, this was the tragedy happened with the those seven crew members. Okay, it was a tragedy only. Tragedy, I have already told. The town of Karnal spent sleepless night, the whole Karnal, because this is the praise thing, means this is the proud thing about that. From small town village, one of the girl went into the space and she is returning, and in that only she was killed. Night, as thousands of households stayed glued means stick to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow, anyhow, they could survive. One of the journalists wrote about that she was a heroine. We always see that heroines are in only the pictures, but she was the real heroine. It takes enormous means what? High quality ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. If you want to become astronaut, you need to know much more knowledge. Okay, means you want one of the encyclopedia in your mind. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge. Just I have told you, you need encyclopedic knowledge. To be an astronaut, her achievement is awe-inspiring. It is always awe-inspiring means surprising. Awe-inspiring means what? Surprising means if you want. And she was the only woman in that team, so it is proud moment or proud thing for our Indians and her villagers also. So it is one of the uh, moment for her. Okay, she was doing experiments there for millions of young Indians. The story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from abroad in Space Shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh. What was her message to their colleagues or their college students? Kalpana said, "The path from the dreams to success does exist." Exist means what? It is there, but we need those eyes to see that path. May you have the vision. Vision means we want that much of ability to see that, to find it, the courage to get on to. Wishing you a great journey. Okay, there will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Just don't see the dreams. If you want to see the dreams, if you want to achieve something, then you need to go behind that. You have to take follow up of that. So this is her the path from the dreams. This is the message to her college students does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it, and the perseverance to follow it. Follow means we need to take follow up also. Another inspirative words are there: the journey matters as much as the goal. Okay, everyone has goals, but what matters? The journey only. If we start from zero, okay, if you want to go for 10 kilometers, if you go 500 meters only, it matters. If you didn't start and thinking on zero only, it doesn't matter. You have a big goal, but you need to start from that. Kalpana's, okay, broke up all his tradition and follow her dream. From small town like Karnal, okay, she went to the US and later that NASA and later that into the space. Means she broke all the frontiers and she went off there. And she again tells something to us. When you look at the stars, the galaxy, you feel that you are not just a form of a particular piece of land. You are not from the particular piece of land, but from the solar system. It is said by Kalpana Chawla. So she is, okay, Kalpana Chawla on her birth anniversary. She is the daughter of our India. Okay, she makes us proud. 1962 to 2003. So we can say her Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Okay, and we always remember her. She is the, not was, she is the inspiration for our many more youth also. So this is our solar system, so we need to focus there and we followed our dream. So thank you students. If you have any queries, so you can message me. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get many more interesting videos. Thank you students.